Need to reset your Amazon Alexa to its original settings? This will erase everything, fix issues, or get it ready for someone new. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to factory reset your Alexa. Let's jump right in. Before you begin, factory reset will erase all your personal information, settings, and connected smart home devices. You'll need to set up your Echo device again. Now focus on the process. Look at your Alexa device. Here you can see the volume down and the microphone off button. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device. Hold for 20 seconds. Light ring off and then back on in orange. This indicates that the reset process has begun, and your device is now in setup mode. That's how you factory reset your Alexa device. I hope this device helped you. That's how you factory reset your Alexa device. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.